Do you know why the Lamborghini behind me is pronounced the Lamborghini Gallardo and not the Lamborghini Gallardo? Right, so it's not news to anyone that Lamborghini is an Italian automotive manufacturer, but the model name Guy-ardo is actually named after something Spanish, which is why it's Guy-ardo and not the Italian Gallardo. Like my little Italian hand here? Along with cars, Ferruccio Lamborghini, the founder of Lamborghini, was actually very fascinated with Spanish bullfighting culture, where Guy-ardo is actually a breed of Spanish bull. You see similar names taken from Spanish bullfighting culture throughout Lamborghini's model history, like with the Miura and the Reventon. And this isn't true for all of their cars. They have cars named after other things, but the Gallardo specifically was named after the Spanish bullfighting breed, making it a Lamborghini Gallardo and not a Lamborghini Gallardo. In fact, the Miura, Reventon, Huracan, Aventador, Yalpa, Espada, and several other models from the brand were named after iconic things in Spanish bullfighting. The Miura was actually named after a Spanish bull breeder, and then you have Spanish bulls that were actually historic throughout time that were winners, like the Aventador and the Huracan. So despite what a lot of people may think or assume from the brand, the Lamborghini Gallardo is pronounced in Spanish.